guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be going on a bike ride. Just gonna put this here. So we'll be riding to stop sign and back. Stupid thing. It gets everywhere. Here we go, but I'm scared. If my phone falls off, I have to pay for the new one. So I want to appreciate all my subscribers, except one who just unsubscribed to my channel. So let's go for a bike ride. But I'm gonna be holding on to my camera because I do not want it to fall off. Okay, I'll just hold it while I'm riding. Okay, so we'll be riding to stop sign and back. Just close the gate. Now let's go for a bike ride. And I want to appreciate all my subscribers subscribing to my channel. And keep it up, and I will be able to make more videos like this one. And if you don't see this, click the thanks button that has a $sign on it on one of my videos, and you'll be able to give me money on my next videos. You can give me money on all kinds of videos. Okay, I thought I just saw the car. Just riding to the stop sign, which is over there. And let's go bike ride. Ooh. And as you can see, there's a plant over there. One of these houses who live in my neighborhood. But just to let you know, I'll be moving to South Carolina. I know it's gonna be sad, but bless you do. Alright. We're here at the stop sign, and I'm gonna ride my bike to the other one. Oh my goodness, there's a sewer over here. Good thing I'm not going in it because it's disgusting and smells. And it smells like you're going into a stinky sewer. No way I'm gonna do that. But if I did, in my future videos, you guys gotta like this video like this. But anyways, let's continue on the bike ride. And if you don't see the thanks button, then you can always find it in my next video. Just make sure to do that, and you can pay any check or the money you have to support my video. That would be really good for you. And if you don't see that heart with a $sign on it that says thanks in one of my videos, you can always put a comment in my videos. But I need to make sure I make billions of subscribers. And I need you guys to keep it up. And in my future videos, I'll make sure it's cool for you guys. Alright, riding to the next stop sign. Oh, an American flag. Crazy, right? And this is a palm tree. And if you want to some of my videos and give me money, I'll be able to do the expensive things that nobody can do in the entire world. But from now on, I'm still like 13 years old because my birthday's July 9th. And that was a few weeks ago. Let's say a few weeks. Or 1 week ago, I don't know. But just to make sure, I'll make sure I make videos in South Carolina to check my new moving house there, so I can sponsor it in my future videos. So you got to subscribe. And at the end, it will be crazy with the subscribing part. You'll love it. Let's move on. Oh, whose car parking is that? That's the worst driving parking I ever seen. Well, maybe because there's 2 cars over there. Oh yeah, good point. And once I get to my new house, I'll make a video about that and show you a tour of my new house. But for now, this is my house. Has beautiful flowers in the trees. Has a bush, which some people eat blackberries in. I almost think it's poison. So if they are, make sure to go see a doctor. But I got some cool features like that plant growing, a neighbor that has beautiful flowers like these trees. And if you like the flowers, click the like button and subscribe. And share it with everyone, and leave a comments down below to how you like these flowers. All right, let's hit the stop sign again for 2 more minutes. I'm just making sure there's no any cars. Because my mom would be saying, "Ah!" That would have been so scary. But I think I would have done. A bird. Oh, and hey guys. Yesterday I just saw the bird attacking a snake right over here. I'll show you. In this ditch, there was a snake. Ah, cars! We're gonna get crushed! Just kidding. We're not gonna get crushed. Whew. Oh wait, there's a puppy dog. Oh, cars. And this is the rock I found in the ditch yesterday. But that was a puppy dog right there. If you like the puppy dog, like and subscribe. Wait, there's another car. The car has passed. Let's move on. But for now, until August or October, we'll be moving. But I'll probably take some pictures and put a short about checking South Carolina out. But for now, we are riding my bike. I didn't know. But the puppy dog was cute. All right, the last stop sign, and we will head back to the house. Just hope there are any more cars. But keep this, and if you like the video at the end, subscribe. And like the video too, because it's gonna get crazy. And if you have any questions, comment down below at the end of the video. But watch at the end because it's gonna get crazy. I just arrived at the other stop sign, but wait. There's a green car over there. It must be rich. Maybe in my future videos, I think I might sneak into an amusement park at night. But don't tell anyone because it's a secret in my channel. All right, moving on to the house. If we can make it to the house, I would be alive. I'm alive. But for now, I'm on the road right now. Crazy, right? Having a trip underwater. And in my future videos, I will do a cool thing in the pool, which all of my subscribers, you better subscribe to. Am I right? Say hallelujah! And next year, well, this year, while I'm in South Carolina during spring break, I'm gonna go back to Disney World and take some videos of the ride. I also have a second channel that is on YouTube. If you want to check it out, make sure you subscribe and I'll tell you what it looks like. And it's really cool. All right, one more stop sign and then time to go back into the house. I'm making sure there are no any cars. Okay, it's fine. I know, I thought I was gonna die. But that's not gonna happen today. Birds. I hate birds actually. While at Disney Springs during summer, there were birds attacking me and I almost got bitten until I shoot them off while threatening them. When I came back there this year, I would kill them with a knife. And they were like running for their lives. Rocks, we're going on the rocks. And sorry about the noise, people. This is just my bike getting a little bit junky, but my mom will fix it. So back to the video. There we go. Oh my god. We have to get back to the house before more cars come. Wait, what time is it? Whoa! It almost fallen off. But if you like this bridge, click the subscribe button. And I'm gonna show you the other bridge. But right now I'm riding in the park at Sycamore Place, and it is crazy. Almost arriving to my house. Oh, and if you like this fountain, click the share button and subscribe. And like the video. Oh no, here comes a car. Gotta go fast. And we have arrived at the house. Woo! And I need to show you, subscribers, a frog. Here's the frog. And if you like the frog, subscribe and share the video with everybody else. Whew. All right. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that experience. I'll see you in the next video, guys. And as always, may the force be with you. You are my father, Anakin Skywalker.